In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink text in Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project or just keeping your data organized, adding hyperlinks can significantly enhance your workflow by enabling quick access to external websites or related documents right within your Smartsheet. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to do this effectively. First, you'll want to select the specific cell where you need to insert your hyperlink. This is fairly straightforward. Just navigate through your sheet and click on the desired cell. Once it's highlighted, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to open the Hyperlink dialog box, which will allow you to add your desired link. There are two convenient ways to do this. You can right-click directly on the selected cell and choose Hyperlink from the menu that appears. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick way to do this depending on your operating system. If you're using Windows, simply press Ctrl and K at the same time. For those on a Mac, the shortcut is Command and K. This shortcut is a great time saver if you're planning to add multiple hyperlinks. Once the hyperlink dialog box opens, you have the opportunity to insert the actual link. If you want to link to a website, ensure that you enter the full web address. This means including the https:// at the beginning to ensure it directs correctly. Feel free to use any URL you need, something like https://www.example.com. If your goal is to link to another Smartsheet or report within your account, there's an option specifically for that too. Just select this option from within the dialog and follow the prompts to choose your desired destination. Next, you have the option to set display text, which is a very handy feature. By default, the hyperlink will show the full URL, but sometimes this might look a little cluttered in your sheet. Instead, you can customize the text that appears. Maybe you want something simple like "click here" or whatever else suits the context of your sheet. Not only does this keep your sheet looking clean, but it also provides clarity for anyone else reviewing the document. Finally, once you've inputted the link and, if desired, your custom display text, it's time to save your changes. To complete the process, click on the OK button in the dialog box. This action will insert the hyperlink right into your chosen cell, and there you have it. You've successfully linked text in Smartsheet, allowing for seamless integration of resources into your data management tasks. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can really enhance how you interact with your project data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your Smartsheet experience.